transfer learning. If you don't transfer what you learn in class environment to your workplace, then there is no transfer learning of new knowledge. So for those of you who say your boss sent you here, right? Then you can tell your boss that you can transfer your learn in each of the module to your workplace. If you really intend to transfer and master the skill. And that should be one of your course objectives of coming to any course. Let me show you how to transfer. See here? These are the 5 factors that influence you how to transfer what you learn in this classroom back to workplace.